Artificial intelligence is opening up new possibilities and changing the way we live and work, from our homes to our workplaces. And water and wastewater utility professionals are no exception.
This AI agent is able to read and interpret unstructured data.
We are actually building a center of excellence for water and AI and how they come together from a Nexus standpoint.
We've seen that many data centers rely on water to operate. The Water AI Nexus Center of Excellence has defined 4 principles for sustainable water use by data centers. Let's take a look at them. Are you ready to give it a try?